What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day off the heels of an amazing New England Egg Fest down in Southbury, Connecticut. We needed a quick meal. So we're taking our leftover tomahawk steak that we had. We're going to throw it on the Blackstone. We're going to make some amazing steak sandwiches. There's nothing better than ribeye steak sandwiches. I firmly believe that. It is just one of my absolute favorite meals. And heating it up with some fried onions on the Blackstone, well, we're just going to crush that. Stay tuned. One other quick thing, please hit that link in the in the description below and vote for me for your favorite chef. It would mean the absolute world to me. I've moved on to the top 20. We're in our second week now of the contest and looking to move on up. So if you want to see more amazing videos, hopefully open like a food truck or something really cool, hit that link and let's do this together. Thanks. Got two beautiful tomahawk steaks here. Slathering it up with some of that W sauce from Baron Burton's. Then we're gonna hit it with that, hi guys, absolutely freaking killer AP rub. I'm gonna throw it on the smoker. It is late. And we're gonna actually smoke these tonight. Then we're gonna let them sit overnight. And we're gonna have them on awesome sandwiches tomorrow. Super pumped. I love ribeye sandwiches. Yeah. Stay tuned. All right, we got the tomahawks on. Brought them up to room temperature. We got our probes in. We're gonna let these get up to about 130, 135. We're gonna take them off and sear the rest of the way. All right, we hit 135 on both. Going to remove the temperature probes. Hot. And, all right, we hit 135 on both. Removing the temperature probes. Put it down. Down, beautiful. Now we're going to take these off and we're going to sear these tomorrow. As you can tell, it's very late tonight. But what we're going to do is we're going to sear these tomorrow. We're going to make some banging steak sandwiches with them. So I wanted to get them up to temperature. I'm going to rest them for probably another hour and a half to probably like an hour and a half before I go to bed. Then I'm going to put it in the fridge. And then tomorrow we're going to sear them on the Blackstone. All right, we hit that Weber up super high, 550, 600. And we put the steaks back on. It's the next day. As promised, we're just searing the outside. Get some nice little char marks on it. Let's go. All right, now we take them off. These things are looking great. Can't wait to eat. What up, everybody? Had a blast at New England Egg Fest yesterday here in Connecticut. Have ourselves our smoke your bourbon smoke ring, bourbon dust. We have some leftover steak. We got some onions on the flat top. Frying these bad boys up. We're gonna make ourselves an awesome steak sandwich. I mean, what else can you do with steak? Well, besides a lot of things, you can make it a banging steak sandwich. And that's what we're gonna do. But we're gonna let those fry up. All right, we got our roll on. We got our onions frying up nice. And we got our leftover steak. Just wanna get this nice and warm. All right, we are assembling our sandwich. Steak, onions, some cheddar cheese, one more piece of cheddar. There's mo cheddar, mo better. Beautiful. And we got some leftover from some steak. There we go, assembled. Boom. Beautiful. Cannot wait to dig in. Yummy.